So this looks really simple. I'm gonna unhook that guy, take some bolts out, unsnap that dude. Yes, I wear my Throttle Addicts riding gloves because it's colder than fuck out here. Customers Honda. Customers Honda. Suzuki. Customer Softail. CF Moto. Bagger. Wife. So wife said, I don't care what you do for content, but I want to work on my own fucking truck.
I do like working on my own truck. I left that one in the freaking...
You left it in the house, didn't you?
No.
Oh, good.
I didn't bring it with me.
Panel popper too.
I unhooked the thingy.
You gotta squeeze it after you slide the safety back. You gotta squeeze at the end of the white bit.
Nail?
No, the other end.
This end?
Yeah.
Tools. Cold. My hands don't like working in like 2 degrees.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
Fucking push pins. Let's build a car with push pins.
It's not as bad as the Honda.
No, that had 90 billion and a half push pins. Let's build a car with the push pins that don't want to come back out.
Ford uses Christmas trees.
Fuck the Christmas trees. These are worse than the push pins.
Oh, so close. It's almost here.
I just ended up breaking it.
That's what happens. But it's already got a Roush intake on it. So we're going to do the little choo-choo thing. And then later on I'm going to probably wire these lights in, make them work in the same video. She wants different ones, but like I want to make these ones work first before we do the different one thing. She also put a baby dick antenna on it.
It looks better.
She's used to small objects.
Dumb. We're just going to fuck this whole thing up.
Yeah, just don't break the wire and you're good. All is well. You don't have to use the extension if you don't want to. I'm an extension whore.
Yeah, because you like big things.
It changed directions on you.
We got another one of these.
I got a really good snap on one that you have to put bits in to make work.
Yeah, no.
That's ready to fall out.
It went from 27 degrees to 22 degrees and I feel it.
Yeah. It looks like it would be really easy to put a catless downpipe on this thing.
Should be easy to do a lot of things on this thing.
Like there's so much room for activities in there.
This is the right direction.
100% gonna take that extension off.
You and your extensions.
It's better to have them and not need them than to not have the damn things.
Bitch.
I'm gonna go get the box. Get the box.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, it's cute. Plastic, trash.
Tiny.
Tiny. Ta-da. Open box.
My nails are too cold to use my nails on this thing.
I'll just break another one.
Huh?
So they'll just break another one.
They're cold making them shatter. Cool.
I like GFB. Australian company.
Look, stickers.
They make good stuff.
I'll hold on to that until we get a hard top. Because stickers don't belong on paint.
So when I looked at the kit, it comes with 2 different kind of bolts. Ones are obviously ones for it, and ones are obviously ones that are not.
You go fast bit.
Yeah. Yep, not those ones.
Not those ones. Screws?
Yep. I'll go get a screwdriver.
I think I put it on the thing.
Huh?
What's it called? Toolbox. That one.
Yeah. That's a Phillips. I mean, that's a flathead. What do we got in there? That's this guy. This dude.
I'm not a lefty. Might need to find the stubby screwdriver.
Oh, no, that's not on there. Good. It only goes on one way, it looks like.
Give me your hand, babe. There we go.
Back to.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a shorter screwdriver for that last one.
Yeah.
Or a bit.
Figure that out, huh? Who's this guy? Oh, those would probably be inconveniently short. But we'll try it. If not, I'll run inside. I don't know where I have a slightly longer Phillips bit. Ta-da. Is it not inconvenient? No, it's beautiful.
Snug, but not tight.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's not going back.
You broke it, did it?
I already said I was going to.
It's okay. We have zip ties.
We do have zip ties. Zip ties make the world go round.
Push your lock down.
Is it all the way up?
Yeah, it seems to. Just pull it out, see if it... It's okay.
No, my hands can't move that. They're cold.
I'm actually surprised the GoPro's staying on this long. GoPros never work in the cold.
Click.
Okay.
Take things away from intake.
Audio shot time.
You want to make sure that thing clicked in? Because my fingertips are numb.
It doesn't seem to want to. I'll mess with it later. It will work just the same. Yep. Beautiful. That is so good. All right. Oh, that just makes you happy, don't it?